Is the social work experience for care experienced young people just a crisis-only service? In other words, are they only able to do their statutory responsibilities?
I don't believe so. I understand the pressures that the social workforce is under. We are taking steps to support with that. A number of steps we've already alluded to the National Social Work Agency. I appreciate there may be, I've already spoken about inconsistencies, different experiences for different children and young people, which is something that our work to support the workforce wants to improve.
So the evidence we've had contradicts that.
Okay.
And from very senior people within the social work service, but also care experienced young people. In fact, this very week we had a session with care experienced young people on Monday, and they were telling us about this. So the first one is Ben Farrugia from the Scottish Association of Social Workers, who said, if someone seeks support but they're not in crisis, we cannot get to them. In my own constituency, I had experience of a young man who their family were pleading for a long time for early intervention, and it eventually ended up in crisis and a secure unit because they weren't intervening early enough. Okay. And thirdly, on Monday, we heard that families were encouraged, if the young person had been in crisis but they had moved on from that, the family were encouraged by social workers to say they were still in crisis, even just to get the basic level of support. So that's 3 examples from 3 well-grounded people. So why do you say it's not a problem?
I did not say it was not a problem. I said that I absolutely recognise the pressures that the social workforce are under, and we are taking steps to try to support them and to try to improve that picture.